Hey guys, Mike here. In this video, we are going to be going over 5 easy major scales in open position. Okay, so our first scale that we'll go over is the C major scale. It's going to be 1 octave and pretty easy. It's going to be shaped like our C major chord too. Looks like this. One more time. So we'll go over that one slow. 3rd fret on our A string. Open 2, 3, open 2, open 1. Descending, 1 open, 2 open, 3, 2 open on our D string, and then ending with the 3rd fret on our A string. C major. The next scale we'll go over is the G major scale in open position. The only difference between this one and the C major scale is that we're going to be doing this one in 2 octaves. So we're going to split it up kind of into like 2 sections. So here's how it looks. Let's start with the first octave. 3 on the E string, open 2, 3 on the A, open 2, 4 on the D, open G. So let's start on the next octave, starting with an open G, open 2, 4, going right to the B string, 1st fret, 3rd fret, open 2, 3 in the high E. Again, same thing, ascending. Now let's do the entire scale ascending. Doubling our root there. Now let's descend, starting with the first octave. 3, 2 open, E string. 3, 1 on the B string. 4, 2 open on the G string. Do that one again. Next octave, open G. 4, 2 open on the D string. 3, 2 open on the A, ending with the G. A good way to practice this scale is to make sure that you play its root chord on each octave. What I mean by that, if we're playing in the key of G, the G major scale, play a G on every octave. So check it out. Chord. Chord. Same exact thing descending. G major. If you're looking to learn more about chord scales and some basic theory, make sure you check out my beginner guitar course. I'll put a link in the description below. Check it out. Alright, F major scale. The exact same way. We'll start in the first octave, work our way to the second octave, descend, stopping and starting on each root, and then we'll play with each chord in between. So let's start. Here's what the scale looks like. First octave. 1, 3 on the E. Open 1, 3 on the A. Open 2, 3 on the D. 3rd fret on our D strings, our second root. Open 2, 3 on the G string. 1, 3 on the B. Open 1 on the high E string. First octave. Second octave. Descending. Same thing. thing with chords on each root. Here we go. Here it is descending. So next up is our E major scale, same exact way as our G and F, 2 octaves in open position. So here's our first octave. Open 2-4, open 2-4 on the A, 1-2 on the D. So the next octave will look like this. 2-4 on the D, 1-2-4 on the G, 2-4-5 on the B string. Descending, 5-4-2 on the B string, 4-2-1 on the G, 4-2 on the D string. Descending further, 2-1 on the D, 4-2-0, 4-2-0. Here's the whole thing ascending, starting and stopping on each root. Here's the whole scale with chords on each root. So here we go. Open E major. E major. All right, and our last scale is going to be our A major scale in 2 octaves. Very, very similar to our E major scale in terms of finger position. So we're going to start with our first octave, open A, 2-4, open 2-4 on the D, 1-2 on the G. Same thing. Open 2-4, just like on our E major scale. 1-2, G string. Here's our next octave, 2-4 on our G string, 2-3-5 on our B string, 2-4-5 on our E string. 2-4, 2-3-5, 2-4-5. Now descending, starting with our high A. 5-4-2-5-3-2-4-2. 5-4-2. 5-3-2. 4-2. Next octave. 2-1. 4-2-0. 4-2-0. Same thing descending. Now let's put our A major chord on each root. So here we go. A major. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. It really is really cool. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on these videos. Again, it goes a super long way, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate you. And until next time, see you later.